So visuals coming in from the Central Hall of Parliament. You can see all the alliance partners from Hindustan Awami Morcha of Jitan Ram Manjhi to Anupriya Patel's Apna Dal. All of them are seated, even as the Prime Minister's cavalcade can be seen. It has started moving now and has entered the Parliament premises. That's on your left of your television screens. Let me get a quick word from Vedant. Vedant, we can see now the Prime Minister arrive. It's a very important day for him and his government.
That's right, Maria. In fact, I come to you from right outside the entry gate of the old Parliament complex. In fact, convoys of leaders constantly arriving. As I said, the Prime Minister just arrived a short while back. He has gone inside the Parliament complex now, the Central Hall where the big NDA parliamentary meeting will be held. Security has been ramped up outside the Parliament complex, of course. There is, of course, multi-layer security all the time, but it has been ramped up right now. If I can ask my camera person to keep panning and showing you. In fact, just 5 minutes back, the convoy of Nitish Kumar also arrived. JP Nadda, I am told, has also left, and he will be arriving. He will be arriving at the Central Hall with the Prime Minister there as well. So those optics are going to be extremely interesting because this is the third time that the Prime Minister will be chosen as the leader of the NDA Parliament, of the parliamentary party. So that's going to be extremely interesting. And what we're also being told is that the Prime Minister will be addressing the leaders of the NDA, as those visuals that you are putting out on your screens. You have top leaders of the NDA, including chief ministers and deputy chief ministers of NDA ruled states. You have top leaders of the NDA, including, of course, state presidents. Of course, key allies. Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar. Chandrababu Naidu, has also arrived. His convoy was here just a short while back. So all of them will be in the Central Hall, and the Prime Minister, of course, will be flanked by Party President JP Nadda. After all, it's the BJP, which is the single largest party as far as the 2024 mandate is concerned. And it will first be the BJP which will propose to choose Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the leader of the parliamentary party. And then you will have the two key allies who will be proposing the Prime Minister's name. And then straight, they will be heading to the Rashtrapati Bhavan. In fact, I can ask my camera person to show you. It will be immediately after the parliamentary party meet that the Prime Minister, along with the two key allies, will go to Rashtrapati Bhavan and formally stake claim to form the government.
Okay, Vedant, you're giving me an important piece of information about two allies who will be proposing the Prime Minister's name. Who are these two allies? We can see JP Nadda, BJP President, being welcomed by Prahlad Joshi, Parliamentary Affairs Minister. Go ahead.
That's right, Maria. So, as per procedure, what we are being told is first, of course, as I said, it will be the BJP who will propose Prime Minister's name as the leader of the parliamentary party. That, that is merely procedural. And then you will see both Chandrababu Naidu as well as Nitish Kumar proposing Narendra Modi's name as a leader of the NDA. And that is when both of them will accompany the Prime Minister to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, where they will formally stake claim to form the government. Now, these are procedures, but they become important in terms of optics, because the message that will be sent out when Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu will propose Narendra Modi's name as the leader of the NDA is that the NDA is very much united. And of course, yesterday, what sources told us also is that these were strategies that were ironed out in the meeting that was presided over by Party President JP Nadda, to send out the message or to sort of allay the fears and doubts, if any, that the NDA is not united, because they're very much united. And also what we are being told is that senior leaders of the party, senior leaders of the BJP, including ministers, could be addressing the House before Prime Minister Modi. So that is also something that we are expecting.